Okay, we're up to the S line. So I've done A, I, U, E, O, Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. Now we're up to Sa, Shi, Su, Se, So. Sa, Shi, Su, Se, So. Alright, first character, what you have to try and imagine here, looks a little bit like that Ki character you just saw before that had an extra line in this area here. Notice also it's actually a cursive writing one, like it's actually this line goes right around. When you print it, it actually looks a little bit like this, where it's without that joining line around. So you can write it either way. However, with this character, the way you try and remember it is Sa for samurai sword. It's made a bit of a cut here to the side, but Sa for samurai sword. Sa. Sa. This one here, you can imagine that maybe it looks like there's a girl's head. She has long hair. The way to remember it, she has long hair. She. She. This next one, you have to imagine that this circle area here is like a seed. There we have the seed and it's germinated. Soon there'll be a flower. So this is su. For soon there'll be a flower. Su. But the next one, imagine that it's possibly two people watching a setting sun. Right, arm in arm. Se for setting sun. Se. Last character in the S line is So. Looks a bit like a zigzag. You can sort of see a Z on top of a C. Imagine that it's a cloth that's been ripped in half and you have to sew it back together. So So for sewing back together. So. So. Let's go through those characters we just learnt. Sa for samurai sword. Shi for she has long hair. Su for soon there will be a flower. Se for setting sun. So for sewing a cloth back together. Again. Sa, Shi, Su, Se, So. Let's mash them all up. Let's put them together with the ones that we've all learned. So we're doing 15 in total. What I'm going to do is I'll present a character and I'll give you 3 seconds to see if you can get it before I do. I, Ka, Ku, U, E, So, Shi, O, Se, Ke, A, Sa, Ko, Su, Ki. There you go. You've now got 15 characters that you've done. Just again, make sure you do your practice writing and again, go over these videos if you can't remember them.